All right, folks, so the great 87 and I have from time to time openly proclaimed that we are single. But is this as a result of us being too picky? I don't know about me.
Can you tell, first of all, wait. Can you tell the people why you're calling me 87 this morning? Just tell them.
Well, she never looked so like 90 this morning. You know, the 90 is this strong.
Never look 100.
Yeah, she never looked 100 this morning. So I was teasing her. And I say, you look more like 87. But so her name is now. And
I did feel hungry. There could have been some gas there, 87. As Dr. Dawes says. So why not?
Where the gas run go?
Into my shoulder blade, or sometime into my knee, which is really paining me right now, but that's another story.
Yeah,
yes.
we had an issue. So what we do?
A spill. So in this morning's He Said, She Said, we're going to be taking a quiz, to help us find out the answer to the question.
Whether we are
only to say proclamations have implications
suggest that we're not talking the truth.
Deceit.
Yeah. So we're not proclaiming anything.
Yeah. I am single. I can't speak for anybody else. Producer, what's the quiz?
I love her.
What you say?
I have no idea how much I love that woman. I have no idea how much I love her.
Up to this weekend, him? Oh, me? All
right, how many relationships have you had till now? Just a few, about 2 or 3, one, more than 5, I can't remember.
No, wait, no. Let me answer for my friend.
No, you can't answer for me. You know what you know about me, as you would say.
Too many things.
What you say?
Me?
Yeah.
Number 1.
Number 1 is?
So what do you call relationships? Like serious relationships? Yeah. Number 1.
Put it up back and make us say something.
Number 1.
If it's serious relationship, it's number A for me. There's no 1 up there. A.
Let me see.
What everybody know about me?
So wait, are there scores for these?
Apparently we will find out.
Okay, wait, so just a few. About 2,
only 1, more than 5.
Okay, I can't remember. Yeah, because there's a difference between strong relationships and people you might like and talk. Okay, so let's say, I'm going to say C. Because I'm 47. 5? If you're talking about the ones like that or nothing really, but what you call relationship? If you mean relationships that actually meant something, then it's going to be A. All right, I'm going to leave it at A.
Well, after she said that, I will go C.
Right.
C.
Oh, sure. Actually, it's D you want to say. Well, all right, go on. Next.
Don't talk from 87. According to you, what is the biggest turn off in a person? Too much gossip, rude or bossy nature, cruelty towards animals, poor dressing style, all of them.
B.
Rude or bossy nature.
Of that list? I mean, gossiping clearly is a problem too.
Too much gossiping, cruelty to all of them. But I have to pick one?
Yeah, B.
Yeah, B. B. Hold on, it's not bossy, bossy. I said bossy, but rude or bossy nature. Yeah, still be. I was just going to say, oh, bossy night, I'm foreign thing this.
More than bossy. Yeah. Next. Oh, Lord have mercy.
We're done with that, you know.
I'm loading the next one. What is it? Clive, tell us.
You're going on your first date and your partner comes half an hour late.
Wait, let me tell you, first of all, Nephril is not there.
Thank you, I'm gone.
And I'm also somewhere else. So what are the options?
The options are break up with him or on the first date. No, I wouldn't do that. Remind them that it is good to be punctual. I certainly would do that. Tell him or her to pay the restaurant bill. No, ask them the reason for being late. So, well, of those, it would be B.
Of those, it would be B?
Yeah, remind them that it is good to be punctual.
No, I would, if it were to be any of those, it would be D, if I stuck around, which I wouldn't.
No, but I would ask them the reason they're late. But, I mean...
That's where I would have to start.
Yeah, but...
Yeah. Like what? Like, if you're late, then call and say, I'm coming. If you don't...
That's what I said. I would have said B.
Remind half an hour later, I won't be there.
I said B. I
say D.
Yeah, and you say D. Mm-hmm. But it would be the two of them for me. I said, how come you late, man? No, man, you can't late, man. You have to come on time.
You know, say I would leave and they would never hear from me?
It depends on how long I would be waiting. No, man, that happened to me. That actually happened to me with work.
We're not talking about work.
I know, but I said that happened to me.
Regular,
that I would leave.
Not about work.
No, but it happened to me with work too.
Next one.
Next one. Are you comfortable with going out on blind dates? I've never been on one.
Did you see the one last week on the show? Disaster.
I've been on a blind date but did not like it. I don't believe in dating unknown people. I think it would be fun to go out on a blind date. I've never been on a blind date. I don't really believe in dating people who I don't know. It could be fun. I guess it could be fun.
Yeah. And if you're set up on that blind date by people who know you,
yeah, then it could be fun.
Then it's a different situation.
Yeah.
So
I'd go with D. Yeah, it could be fun. I've never been on one.
Yeah, D. Because I'm not comfortable, so I wouldn't say A.
Yeah.
But it's not something I would.
I've never been on a blind date.
Me neither.
And blind date just mean you don't know this somebody. But if you said to me, boy, you have somebody who kind of like me and things, I'd listen to you.
Oh, you know, I'm not set you up with no intention.
Well, I don't know that, to be honest. To be honest, knowing you would set me up.
I imagine my phone I ring 5 minutes after the date and never says him. Who is this person? Yes. Finish?
That's it.
Oh, go on again. What's your idea of an ideal first date?
Dinner date on a beach, coffee date, candlelight dinner at an expensive restaurant if she appear. Movie date.
B.
Coffee date. Well, I don't drink coffee. Dinner date on a beach would be amazing.
As a first date?
Candlelight dinner at an expensive restaurant would be also amazing. I just couldn't afford it. A movie date would be good. Yeah, movie. I'll go A or D. Dinner date on a beach or a movie date.
I'm going B first.
You go B, as in Bell?
Broad daylight into a open coffee shop. Let us see who we are.
No, but if it's a first date, then you're not going to know the person a little bit already.
Not necessarily. First date is when you're getting to know the person.
Yeah, but that's what I said, but you don't know me a little bit already.
So little bit is not enough for me to go on any other.
Next one. You want your partner to be good looking and attractive, funny, loyal and honest, rich and classy, understanding all of them.
These are not either or.
All of them. Loyal and honest for me. C.
This is difficult, guys.
All of them. I'll take all of them.
Yeah, give me points. Can you please just add A, C, and D and give me the points? And B, because I got to laugh.
It's an online quiz, so them can add none. I go with C. Loyal and honest. Rich and classy, no bad.
All right, go with C then. Go on with C then.
Yeah. Rich and classy,
because
no bad.
If you're loyal and honest, there's a... What?
You would never date someone who smells bad, is short in height, has a poor fashion sense. I don't mind any of the above things. I don't want to date anybody who smells bad. The height not going to bother me.
But you can tell the person.
Yeah, but I wouldn't want to date somebody who smells bad. The height not going to bother me. Poor fashion sense.
What if she's taller than you are?
Don't bother me.
Okay.
Poor fashion sense would not bother me. I don't mind any of the above things. I do mind. You know, I go to nobody who would smell bad.
The person come in and say, hi, Nev.
No, sir. Me just say, give me a second. I forget something about the car. I soon come.
Never, Belle. You can't do that.
But you wouldn't mind going out with somebody who smells bad?
No, I wouldn't want to.
That's my point.
But I'm not going to post them. It's short in height.
I would date somebody who's short. I would.
Yeah, short like my height is fine.
You're not short.
I'm 5'4".
That's not short. That's it? We're done? Another one? Would you date someone who's slightly overweight?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
I'll ask him to lose weight before dating. It's funny.
Would you date somebody who's not as financially stable as you?
Oh, no. I'm sorry. No.
Well, I don't financially stable, you know, so we couldn't afford to date somebody who don't financially stable either.
No.
Two broke pockets, worse than one.
Like one broke her pocket. Nope.
And the answer is yes, money doesn't buy happiness, only if they really love me. Baby, I'm not sure. No. C, maybe. I'm not sure. I go C. Next one. What do you think? Are you a picky person? No. C.
Same.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm a very easygoing person. I think everyone knows that about me. What do you think? Are you a picky person? No, that's it. That's it. So me and 87 are the two greatest people in the whole world.
Let's see the scores. There's one I didn't get to give an answer on, guys. Like 3 back. About the smell bad one.
What are the scores?
I never gave an answer.
The two of we get the same score?
Impossible.
Let me tell you, 7 and 8.
What's the result? What does it say?
That we are picky?
Bet you. You want to come up on the screen?
Looking at your answers, we have analyzed that you are not really picky in dating. You just want to date a person who's understanding and loyal to you. Sure. Nothing wrong with that. 87. I mean, fuck out. They don't rate me, you know.
They do rate us.
They don't rate me.
Them rate me, man.
That's it for 87 said, 90 said.
This is not going well.